Hey, what's up, guys? This is your girl Tracy with Tracy's World, and today I'm unboxing a chair, and yes, I have to put it together. I mean, really? So I'm getting comfortable, y'all. I'm looking crazy, but we about to get up into it. What is up? I am about to unbox something. Y'all see this big old box? It is a huge box. And I am putting together this chair. I'm unboxing. Well, I unboxed it on live. If you didn't check it out, you can check out the live. The live went out. So now I'm back to continue working on putting together this chair. So if you want to just check it out with me, feel free. It is a chair I bought my mom. She wanted one for Mother's Day. It should look like this. Let me see if y'all can see. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm putting it together. So I have everything laid out. And now I am, everything's numbered. You know, the parts are numbered. So I'm working with 4 and 3s right now. This is 3, this is 4. It's 4 of these. So I'm putting it together for her. So that's all I'm doing today. I haven't been posting much recently because I had surgery, recovered, was still recovering, and a lot has happened, y'all. Left Texas because I'm going elsewhere now. So going somewhere else, and career move. It's a career move. So I left Texas. Been there for this would have been my 3rd lease, so 2 years. Decided, yeah, it wasn't what I wanted to do right now. So left when my lease was up. And then I have a new place in another state, which I'll share later. But it's when I say new, it's brand new. It's still being built. It's still under construction. So as soon as it's ready, I can move. But it'll be won't be until September until it's finished. So I'm here in my parents' house right now in Illinois, and thank God it's the warm time, you know, summertime. So I'm here with them, and of course I'm putting in that work. I'm putting together a chair for my mom. So I look a little crazy right now because I'm working, y'all. Putting my little elbow grease into it now, but I'm working. So putting this together for my mom because she been waiting, and ain't nobody put it together yet. I ordered it, and yeah, they ain't put it together yet, which is a shame. So of course, your girl to the rescue, okay? I'm putting it together for her. It will be a chair. I love putting, I don't know about y'all, but I love putting things together. It just feels relaxing for me. Like, I just like doing it. That's what I'm doing. And I think the only person here right now is my brother, so if y'all hear anything, that's what it is. But I was live. I don't go live, because live will hurt your feelings. Nobody be on. You be like, talk to yourself. I do that with this too, but it just feels different. I don't know. I don't like going live, but I'm gonna try to do better because I'm trying to really grow as a creative content creator. And I know, like, sometimes y'all just want to live. You just want to communicate. I don't know, live. You know, trying to get this one up. Ooh, this one don't want. It's always one. Always one that don't want to act right, y'all. Always one. I'm trying to get it lined up in here. Always one. Oh, you just gonna come out. Yes, and my back is killing me today. I was saying in live. I don't know what's going on, but my back is hurting. Whew. But I'm determined to get this done today because it's been sitting in this box since I bought it from I think I bought it in Mother's Day or a week before Mother's Day, and she ain't had it put together yet. So, oh my freaking. Okay, let me stop. I ain't even editing this video. It's going straight. It's going straight in as soon as it's done. Cause yeah. My back. If my back was not hurting, I can get up in this, but It is hurting, and I don't know why. I don't understand what's wrong with it today. But anyway, y'all, that's what's going on. That's what I'm doing right now. I may speed this up so y'all can see the finished product, because I know y'all want to sit here and hear me talk. Gosh, all the other ones was fine. This one, my friend, is not cooperating. You literally have to push it in, give it a little turn. That's how I did the other ones, until it's like locked in, and then you're set. But let me take this out for a second. I have to play with this. I'm gonna play with this. It's always one, y'all. I'm gonna play with this. I don't want to say what I was gonna say because it sounds inappropriate, but I'm gonna work on this little opening here to try to get it to realize that a screw's going, there you go. A screw's gonna go up in there. So you might as well cooperate, because it's gonna happen. I mean, it's gonna happen, okay? Okay. Whether you like it or not, these nails ain't helping my situation. So I'm a person that puts together everything most of the time, right? I follow the directions, I spread everything out, and I just go with it. And so if you watch my live, you'll see like I spread everything out. There you go, I got it. And then I just start the work. Please be ready. Come on in there. It just gave up. See how it gave up? It was fighting, it was resisting me. But I stayed determined. I kept going, and now we are on the same page, sir. Or ma'am, whichever one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't wait to see the full. Okay, I like to make sure everything's nice and tight, but don't strip. When you're putting something together, make sure you don't strip it. Make sure it's nice and tight. So this is the base, and we are done with the base, like literally. So now we're gonna put these things on the foot of them, because it's gonna sit against the ground. Look at me. Oh. It's gonna sit on the ground. Y'all look. It's gonna sit. Oh, sorry, y'all. All right, so now I'm gonna just put these on the end. This is very easy. Easiest part of the process. And I'm struggling because this thing heavy. And I know it's against my stomach. And it shouldn't be, because I just had surgery and I shouldn't do that. Okay. There you go. So now 2 goes into the back of this. So I'm going to bring it so you guys can see it. All right, y'all. So here's the top. And now we got to connect part 2. This is 2. Onto here, and you know it goes, you know it's number 2 because it says number 2, and then it has these openings, so you know where the screw goes. So you gotta line it up. Ooh, wrong way. I got it the wrong way. Wrong way, guys. Sorry. Line it up. This. You're gonna line up the openings. See? The holes are lined up. Now you're gonna put the screw in. I think it's gonna go like probably around this way. And then these 2, and then you got, it'll be like this. Wrong way. But it'll be on the other side, will be these. All right, so let's try to get it going. And on this side, see, they're both the same, so. All right. Pushing it through. There you go. There you go. Now you got the screw in. The next part is this washer and then this bolt. Okay, take one. And that's this. This is one. And we about to do something, I just don't know what. This part might need to be. I'm gonna try it though. They have these and they go at the bottom. Bottom, you're gonna screw it on so it won't come off. So it's tight. That one's done. Now you're gonna do this side. And the big part should hang you down. So you can just, oh Jesus. There you go. Take this, I'll put it in here. See, it has a hole. Inside the hole will go this, just like that. Have these two. Now we hanging it up. You know, like that. And then, yeah, put it like that. And that just so it won't go. So let me show y'all finished product. And voila, y'all, we have our chair ready. We're done. It's very bouncy. It feels very secure. It don't feel like it's gonna break or nothing. And I'm fun side. No. It feels very comfortable, very secure. Like, I think I need to put this up a little higher, but yeah, I'm gonna put that up higher, the pillow up higher, so it can catch your head. So it should probably go up to like right about here. But I think she gonna like it. What y'all think? I got my mom this. This is one of her Mother's Day gifts. You could turn with it. Yeah. I like it. I'm going to sleep now. All right, y'all. So thank y'all for hanging out with me as I put together this chair. I had a little bit of challenge closing these two ends, but I eventually was able to get it. I just had to kind of step on it, give it some elbow strength, and then once one is closed, the other one is not hard, you know what I mean? The other one is pretty much closed. So, and then it's just making sure the bolts are on there. So that was a little bit of a challenge. Everything else was super easy. Directions were very good. It is a heavy box, so if you get it, make sure you know it's heavy. Oh, and yeah, I got it together for my mama. For my mama. On my mama. On my hood. I look fly. I do not look good right now because I need to wash my hair and stuff. But I've been, you know, working today. This was work, y'all. So, yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy this chair until she get here. And she probably gonna put it wherever she wants to put it. She cannot lift this. Well, she can lift it because my mom can lift heavy things, but this thing is really heavy, so it's very heavy. It's very sturdy. And I did get this on Amazon. Yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. And you can change the pillows to whatever you want. Now we're gonna take this and put in here. All right, so we got a pillow, and we got this, which is the seat. Okay. Wait, which way does this go? This? Yes. And you put the pillow on top. I'm gonna buy me one now. I'm gonna buy me one from my place, put it on my patio. And just relax. I'm gonna copy her. But yeah, this is really cool. I'm really liking this. All right, y'all, that is it. I put something together. Now I'm done. Y'all go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out and do it and be great today. I know my camera's a little crooked right now, but don't worry about it. Bye.